Should have been outdoors having fun in Kentucky on a youth hunt. All right, so this is about 30 minutes after the combine leaves. Once he turns sideways to where you can shoot him in his shoulder, you shoot him. Right now, yep, if he's sideways. Put it behind your shoulder, take your time. Fucking dropped him, dude. You just fucking dropped his fucking ass. Oh my god, Leland, that is amazing, dude. Fuck it. Oh, sorry, I cussed a lot in that video. Oh, that's so. You know what you just did? Do you know what you just did? You just dropped that deer, dude. You just dropped him, dude. Are you shitting like crazy or what? We hope y'all enjoyed. And if you ain't outdoors, you definitely should have been outdoors.